Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best cordless hair clippers for professional and home use. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. BRDCLIP NGX1 Professional Hair Clippers, ideal for barbers and home users. The BRDCLIP NGX1 features a powerful microchipped magnetic motor with 10,000 RPM, ensuring a smooth and efficient haircut. Its cordless design and charging stand add convenience, making it perfect for professional use or personal grooming. The advantages of this cordless hair clipper are high-speed motor for precise cutting, cordless design for easy maneuverability, convenient charging stand included. The disadvantages of this cordless hair clipper are higher price point, may be heavy for some users. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. Original JRL Clipper JRL 2020C/2020T. The original JRL Clipper JRL 2020C/2020T is designed for professional hairdressers, offering a cordless electric push shear experience. This trimmer provides excellent performance for creating detailed haircuts with ease, making it an essential tool in any barber's kit. The advantages of this cordless hair clipper are ergonomic design for comfort, versatile for various hair cutting styles, cordless operation for ease of use. The disadvantages of this cordless hair clipper are battery life could be improved, requires regular oiling for maintenance. At number 3. Professional BRDCLIP 8000 RPM Set. The Professional BRDCLIP 8000 RPM set is perfect for barbers and stylists seeking a reliable cordless oil head gradient hair clipper. With its powerful motor and efficient design, this trimmer ensures precise cuts and fades, making it ideal for salon use. The advantages of this cordless hair clipper are high RPM for efficient cutting, adjustable gradient settings for versatile styles, lightweight for extended use. The disadvantages of this cordless hair clipper are may lack some advanced features, battery may take longer to charge. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. Madeshow M10M11 Hair Clippers. Madeshow M10M11 hair clippers are designed for both professionals and home users. These cordless clippers deliver a clean cut with ease, making them a go-to option for barbers. Their sleek design and powerful motor make haircuts fast and efficient. The advantages of this cordless hair clipper are powerful motor for smooth operation, sleek design for better handling, long-lasting battery life. The disadvantages of this cordless hair clipper are limited color options, noise level may be higher than expected. At number 1. Kemei 2299 Barber Cordless Hair Trimmer. The Kemei 2299 Barber Cordless Hair Trimmer is perfect for detail work, featuring a zero-gap carving blade for precision cuts. Ideal for barbers and at-home grooming, this electric finish cutting machine ensures clean lines and effortless styling. The advantages of this cordless hair clipper are zero-gap blades for detailed work, compact and easy to handle, affordable for professional-grade performance. The disadvantages of this cordless hair clipper are blade maintenance is required, battery may not last for extended sessions.